all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can also send bulk emails using Pabbly email marketing. So over here, to do this you have to open your dashboard of Pabbly email marketing. If you are an existing user like me, but if you are a new user, open a new tab and open the landing page of Pabbly email marketing. This is the landing page of Pabbly email marketing, and you just have to Google pabbly.com/email marketing and open this. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So if you want to try Pabbly email marketing for free, click on the sign up for free button and you're going to get a free trial of Pabbly email marketing. Then log in inside Pabbly email marketing and open your dashboard. You have to make sure to add your business inside Pabbly email marketing. After adding the business, you're going to see you can also add multiple businesses right over here. If you want a detailed video on the overview of Pabbly email marketing or on any other feature of Pabbly email marketing, a video tutorial dedicated towards the same is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. This video is only going to focus on how to send bulk emails. For that, we're just going to go towards this left end of the site, towards this campaigns feature of Pabbly email marketing. Once we are on this campaign features, as you can see over here, you're going to see the total campaigns sent, scheduled and drafted. In order to create a new campaign, click on this create email button and enter the campaign details. First of all, you have to choose your campaign type. So I'm just going to select it as regular. For the campaign name, I'm just going to keep it as welcome offer campaign. I'm just going to enter the from name. Now you're going to see whatever the details we're going to enter on the left end of the site. On the right end of the site, you can check the live preview for the same. And after entering this, it is asking for the subject. So let's enter the subject which says save 10% off on your first order at Confirmly shop. You can also add the variable in your subject. The next which we have is this pre-header. So I'm just going to enter the pre-header too. Now you're going to see that this is the live preview, and if you want to learn more about this campaign details, a video tutorial dedicated towards this campaign section is attached. You can check it out. You can also add emojis in your subject if you wish to. Then you have to click on this continue, and once you're going to click on this continue, it is asking you for the templates to select. So if you have any template, you can select it. Otherwise, click on this create from scratch button and select your email builder. In this video, I'm going to use drag and drop builder. You can use any another builder. If you want to learn about these two, you can check out the video in the description box below related to the campaign section. So I'm just going to go to this drag and drop builder and click on this select button. Now this builder is going to open. Now what we have to do is we have to enter the details in this builder. So first of all, I'm just going to add the header. So I'm just going to go to this sections and drag and drop this header. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag and drop the title, then the text. I'm just going to add an image right over here between the title and the text. I'm just going to add this image, and in the end I'm just going to add the footer. Alright, so I'm just going to look for the footer in the sections. Then I'm just going to go to this footers and signatures and drag and drop this footer right over here. After dragging and dropping it, I'm just going to move on further and enter these details. Now first of all, for the title, I'm just going to keep it as welcome to the Confirmly shop, smart tools and simple solutions. Now I'm just going to add the image. For that, I'm going to click on this add image button. As you can see, I've already inserted this image, so I'm just going to add it. If you want to insert a new image, what you can do is you can go to this upload a file button and upload the file from your computer. As you can see, I've already uploaded, so I'm just going to simply insert this image. Now what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to enter the text right over here, and after entering this text, I'm just going to edit the footer too. I'm just going to enter the name of my business in this footer, which is the Confirmly shop. So I'm just going to enter the business name, and then I'm just going to enter the physical address and also the website. It is very important that you enter all the details right over here. Otherwise, there's a chance that you can get blocked or your domain can be reported as spam. Alright, so let's enter the details. So I'm just going to enter the website and the support email. Now with this, we have successfully completed this mail. Now let's send this mail. So what you have to do is, first of all, if you want to add some styling, you can do it right from here. Same goes for this contents. If you want to add anything, you can add it. After doing all of this, you have to click on this send button. Once we're going to click on this send button, we're just going to move on further. We're going to see all the campaign details, and then for the sender details, over here you're going to see it is saying from name. So we have selected it. For the delivery server, I have already added my delivery server, which is send with us. So I'm just going to select it. If you want to add a delivery server and learn how to do this, a video tutorial dedicated towards the same is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Now for the from email, I'm just going to select my email. Now it is saying approval status approved. Alright, so let's move on further. It is saying subscribers list. So I'm just going to select the list. I have already created this list, so I'm just going to select the same right over here. You can also select multiple lists, and if you want to create the list For that, you have to go to the subscribers section. If you want to learn about the subscriber section in detail, again, video is attached in the description box below. If you want to add some individual emails, you can do it right from here. Then you have two more options to send this campaign. You can send it instantly or schedule it for later. So if you want to send this instantly, you can click on this send now and then send email button. Or if you want to schedule it for later, you can click on this schedule later button and select the date and time on which you want to schedule this. So I want to schedule this 5th of February 1 p.m. So I'm just going to select it right over here. Further, if you want, you can also send with the auto follow-up. You just have to switch on this button and you can simply send this with auto follow-up too. I'm just going to schedule it for later and click on this schedule email button. Now it is saying you are all set. Does this look right? So as you can see, yes, it is looking right. You can also preview the email right over here. This is the email which we are going to send. Alright, so everything looks fine. So I'm just going to click on this schedule button and this campaign is successfully scheduled for 5th of February at 1 p.m. Now you can see at 1 p.m. this campaign will run and the email will be sent in bulk to all the subscribers I had in the subscriber list, which I selected right over here. And further, if you want to cancel it, you can cancel it right over here. Otherwise, if the email is sent, you can also view the report after the campaign runs. As you can see, you can go to this section of view report, and then from here you can view the report to how many were sent, failed, in queue, delivered, and all of this. And yes, with this we have successfully learned how to send bulk emails using Pabbly email marketing. So go and try this for your own business too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly email marketing. And while trying, if you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.